Guys, can we run this tune again? I think it sends out peace and home to everybody out in the fleet. Where Mark Twain told the stories of Huckleberry Finn, running round in those hills I grew up in, where the bluebirds fly that taught me how to sing. And if you can't show me, then it doesn't mean a thing in Missouri. It's home to Harry S. Truman and the Pony Express, that St. Louis Arch, the gateway to the west, where Albert E. Brumley wrote I'll fly away, down by Big Sugar Creek where everybody goes to play in Missouri. So sweet those flowers in the dogwood trees, when I go home you'll find me in Missouri. That Kansas City barbecue, I could eat my fill. Hear those sounds out of Branson echo through the hills, down to Silver Dollar City for a step back in time. All of this and so much more in that home state of mine of Missouri. So sweet those flowers in the dogwood trees, when I go home you'll find me in Missouri. In Missouri, so sweet those flowers in the dogwood trees, when I go home you'll find me in Missouri. Yeah, yeah. That was perfect. Let's do it again.
Always hear about the sunshine coming through a Georgia pine with a blue-eyed baby. Always hear about a dirt road turning up the radio down in South Mississippi. But they never took cover under a red oak, watch the rain and the wind and your brown hair blow. I kissed you for the first time. If they could have seen it through my eyes, there'd be more songs about Missouri, green-eyed girls and Highway 32, laughing out loud, loving like crazy and crazy about you. If they could see how yellow-red that sky gets, if they had it all and they lost it, if they knew how bad it hurts me, be more songs about Missouri. Ain't nothing look better than you standing in that white moon water, kicking your flip-flops, painting the drip drops on a postcard summer. If they could see you wrapped up in my blue jacket, September sky on the ground is looking up at it. If they saw it every time, yeah, every time they close their eyes, there'd be no songs about Missouri, green-eyed girls and Highway 32, laughing sky gets. If they had it all and they lost it, if they knew how bad it hurts me, be more songs about Missouri. If they could have seen those green hills, if they would have walked those wheat fields, if they still loved you, girl, like I do, there'd be more songs about Missouri, green-eyed girls and Highway 32, laughing out loud, loving like crazy, crazy about you. If they could see how yellow red that sky gets, if they had it all and they lost it, if they knew how bad it hurts me, be more songs about Missouri. Yeah.
Reveille, reveille, another dawn is calling you to reveille. History tells us terrible fate came to those who slept too late. Rise and shine, get up, it's time for reveille. High up in the Catskill Mountains, Rip Van Winkle went to sleep, and for 20 years old Rip slept right on through. When he woke, the sight that met his eyes made Rip Van Winkle weep. There was not a soul around, the old man knew. Reveille, reveille, Rip Van Winkle slept right on through reveille. When he woke, he sure felt bad, he'd lost all he ever had. Yeah, he didn't rise and shine at reveille. Old Samson was a mighty man, his strength beyond compare, till Delilah learned the secret of his power. Then his enemies defeated him by shaving off his hair, while he slept beyond his early rising hour. Reveille, reveille, yes, old Samson slept right on through reveille. He lost all his mighty power, 'cause he slept that fatal hour. Yeah, he didn't rise and shine at reveille. Reveille, reveille, now don't lay in bed till after reveille. If you sleep your life away, there's a price that you must pay. Rise and shine, get up, it's time.